It's very late 40s, early 50s glamour hair, right? And it's come from an artist called Varga, who used to paint a lot of pin-up women. Any bookshop, go anywhere, you'll see what I'm on about. And they were just like very sexy, very graphic, kind of voluminous shapes, and that's really what I'm doing. We're creating these very like big, soft, opulent, graphic shapes in here.
The hair, we're at Sonia Rykiel, and the hair's very soft, pretty, centre part, floaty. I'm going to tease it out a little bit so it's very feminine, very Sonia. Doing that using a Redken thickening lotion just to give some guts to the hair. Curling iron 1 inch all through, and then I'm blowing it out so it becomes softer, like a triangle shape, very feminine. Basta.